Hi guys, this is Brendan from LemTask. In this video, I want to answer a simple but important question. Is Microsoft To Do actually good enough for serious task management? Not casual reminders, not light checklists, but real day-to-day work. Microsoft To Do is built around a list and task model. If you're coming from tools with boards and cards, it helps to translate the thinking. A list acts like a board. A task acts like a card. There are no visual columns or stages. Everything lives in vertical lists. This keeps things simple, but it also means there's no built-in concept of flow, progress, or status. Tasks exist, they don't move. Let's add a few example tasks to simulate real work. Let's say draft proposal, review feedback, update document, and send version. Each task is added as a single item. You can set due dates, you can add reminders, and you can even flag importance. At this point, Microsoft To Do still feels clean. Everything is visible and nothing feels heavy. Now let's use this for an actual day. We will go into the tasks I created. There is no sequencing. I decide what list it goes into. Work, work. And then I go into my work list. But as soon as tasks represent ongoing work, the experience flattens. There is no sense of progress through stages. What's in motion and pending, and what should happen next. Everything is either done or it's not done. And that's perfectly fine for reminders, but it's limiting for serious task management. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. Let's take a look at some of the tasks that I have here in LemTask. Instead of living as a static item in a list, the task is treated as work in motion. You're not just adding it, you're actively moving it through the day. The focus shifts from what do I need to remember to what am I working on right now. This is where the difference becomes clear. In LemTask, tasks are structured around execution. Progress is visible. Fewer decisions are required midday. In Microsoft To Do, you add a task, you manually decide where it goes, you mentally track your progress, you mark it as complete, and most of the execution happens in your head. It's not about more features, it's about fewer steps between intention and action. Microsoft To Do is solid for reminders and simple lists, but serious task management usually demands clearer execution flow. If you want to see this approach in full, LemTask is linked below.